Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Millions of tons of steel are cast each year by U.S. foundries. Helping them to keep up with demand is EMSCO Incorporated. EMSCO installs, repairs, and rebuilds induction melting and process cooling equipment. EMSCO is headquartered in Massillon, Ohio. As a part of the global Inductotherm Group, EMSCO is the melting industry's first responder. They serve half the nation's foundries with nearly 40 years' experience in coming to the rescue. EMSCO repairs and rebuilds induction furnaces of every size and complexity and fires up foundries by installing induction equipment from any OEM. They install and service virtually any type of equipment used in the metal melting process. EMSCO also specializes in cooling systems that are engineered to last and require low maintenance. The outcome is more efficient cooling and a better bottom line. They're the exclusive manufacturer of HyperCool hybrid process cooling systems. The hybrid adiabatic technology saves water, health, and energy. It decreases costs and increases efficiency in numerous industrial cooling processes. EMSCO engineers complete cooling systems, including water filtration systems that maximize cooling by removing non-dissolved solids down to 50 microns. EMSCO's cooling solutions are engineered to seamlessly integrate into new and existing operations alike. EMSCO's custom-engineered pump modules provide optimal circulation in closed and open-style water cooling systems. With additional facilities in Alabama, California, and New Jersey, EMSCO's first responders are available 24/7 to keep foundry furnaces and cooling equipment optimized. For more details, visit emsco.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.